everybody, this is Jonathan, and today I'll be showing you guys how to use simple text editor in Icaros desktop. So it's very easy to use. Now I'm going to show you guys how to open up the software. So what you need to do is click onto Icaros over there. Now click onto the extras, click onto applications, and now you must select the simple editor over there. And now we can open up like so. And now we have it opened. I'm going to close out that because I already have it opened. And here is the software. I will just click onto this button. Actually, I think it's this button, isn't it? Yeah, this button. Okay, I'm going to now, we should be able to drag it by dragging it like so. Where we see this box, we can just drag it like so from this corner. Okay, let me just drag this window over there so that way it can go in the center. Okay, so here's the simple text editor. So over here some buttons you guys can click on, so you can open up file, save file, copy, cut, paste, erase, clear, undo, redo, and about. So if you click on to about, just give us a description what it's about and what version it is and who developed it. So the build is from 2012, so it's quite an old program. So now click on to OK, and now you guys can click onto this text area, and you guys should be able to start typing on with the keyboard, like so. Linux is the best. Now what you guys can now do is that you guys can highlight it, and now you guys can click on to copy, and that should basically copy the text. And now you guys press on the enter key a couple of times, and now you guys can click on to paste, and that should basically paste in the text. Paste, right? Let me do it again. If I copy that one, if I now paste it, Control V, doesn't seem like it's working. I don't know why, but it should work. Paste, Control V. Wait, hold on. If I copy something like so, right? Okay. Let me highlight this, copy it. Now I should be able to paste it, but I might have to do this. Paste. Okay, that doesn't seem like it's working, but the idea is that we should be able to copy this, and then once you scroll way down or try to go to an area where we want to paste it to, what you do is click onto the paste button over there. Cuts basically do a similar thing, so what it will do is delete this one. So if I click onto cut, it will delete it, but it should still be able to allow you to paste it like so. Okay, that's a bit weird. So I put down Linux, right? If I now highlight it, if I click onto copy, and if I try to like paste it, okay, it works. Okay, I see now. So if I go back to Linux, if I click onto copy, if I click onto the cut button, if I paste it, this is weird, because if I try to write down Linux, and if I do something like this, if I try to copy it, but if I, let me change this one because that one might be a bit not done correctly, but if I do this, if I click onto the copy, and now if I click onto the paste button, it doesn't show up the right thing, and it shows up multiple times with the thing that I copied previously. So that one does have a bit of a bug in the software, which needs to be resolved, but we should be able to write down a document all that. So the only thing that's broken is we're being able to copy it and press on to paste. That doesn't seem to be working correctly. But you guys can use a scroll bar to scroll way down, and you guys can scroll back up again. You guys can use these buttons as well to scroll way down and up again. So that's pretty nice. Okay, let's move on from the copy and paste. If you want to erase everything of the document, all you need to do is click onto erase, or I might have to highlight something. So if I do something like this, if I click onto erase, okay, so if you want to erase something, you just need to highlight it, and now click onto erase, and that should basically erase it. Clear, which I don't know what that does. I think that would also delete stuff. Okay, so if I start typing stuff down, right, if I highlight this part, if I click on to clear, it clears up everything. But how come if I do this, if I click on to, okay, this does delete everything basically. Cool. So if we just want to erase like small text, you just need to click on to erase, and that should just erase it. But if we want to delete everything, we just click on the clear button, like so. Now I'm going to show you guys how to do for undo and for redo. So you guys can put down something like Linux is the best. You guys can do undo, and that should get rid of the latest updates that you guys have basically done. If you guys want to bring the updates back, we just need to click onto a redo button like so. Which is not working. But I should be able to redo it if it's truly, if we truly write something, then it should be able to redo it. But I'm now going to type down some random stuff. If I click on to redo or undo, then redo. Yeah, redo doesn't seem to be working for some random reason. But this should allow you to redo the characters that were previously have written, but we decide to undo, then it should just redo it. So yeah, it's basically opposite of undo. So if I undo it, then it'll just get rid of the latest updates I've done, whereas if I click on to redo, it should bring back the update that I previously have got rid of. So now if you guys are wondering how do I save the actual file, all I need to do is click on the save file over there, and now you guys can call it whatever I want to call it. But if I click on to parent, I can go back to this directory, and there should be a folder called documents, and then I should be able to call it whatever I want to call it. So for file, I will call this one to be basic text, and I can call it the txt file. Now if I click on to OK, and that should basically save it. If I close out of it, if I reopen it, if I click on to open file, if I go back to parent, if I go back to the documents, right, if I click on to basic text.txt, that should allow me to open up the text document like so. So that's pretty nice. Let me try again to copy it and paste it again. So if I copy it and if I paste it, does it work? No, it doesn't. Okay. But yeah, basically we're meant to just copy it and we should be able to paste it again if we truly wanted to. So that what it should do, and redo should, work, but it doesn't work. So this program is not exactly working as I would have expected, and it was last updated in 2012. So I'm quite disappointed. They have like so many years and so many time to actually get it improved and try to get it working, but it's not working 100% of the time. So that's a bit of a pain, but this is the way it is. Anyway guys, if you like this video, please put a like and please subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.